So today here, we got the last DD Audio M45, probably in Colorado. We got a tone generator here. Oh shit! And we got ourselves a kicker. The volume AALC. I don't know if you see that there, or PLC1. It's not working, so we got a new subsystem for this guy. Blown kicker amp. The sub still seems to be working, but yeah, we're gonna mess around with this guy a little bit. Alright, this is the last DD Audio M45, probably in the United States. Maybe, I'm saying possibly. They've stopped making them for a while, but this guy's lucky day. This is his little baby. I'm in a semi right now because this guy's got a semi. I'll show you. Son of a gun. Well, pretty sure it's that knob. I got that AALC in there, and you know. Pretty sure those batteries. I hit my head on this one pretty hard this morning, nearly knocked me unconscious. Damn doors.